30 million cases of COVID. The United States is almost there. We've shown you the situation here in the Chicago area. Now New York City officials are concerned about the discovery of a more contagious variant first detected in Brazil. And as CBS News Nancy Chnen reports, large crowds of spring breakers defy a curfew in the heart of Miami Beach's nightlife district.
New York officials are on alert after the state confirmed its first case of the more contagious COVID variant first seen in Brazil.
One of the concerns about this particular variant is that it has that mutation that's also in the South African variant, in the 1351 variant, that we know in certain cases is causing people who have already had coronavirus to get reinfected with it.
Nationwide, more than 81 million, or nearly 1 in every 3 American adults, have now received at least one vaccine dose. 17% are fully vaccinated, and millions who have already had the virus may carry some degree of immunity.
We're talking about some form of protective immunity in about 55% of the population. So there's enough of a backstop here that I don't think you're going to see a fourth surge. I think what you could see is a plateauing for a period of time before we continue on a downward decline.
In Miami Beach, thousands of spring breakers, many maskless, flooded the streets, defying a Saturday night emergency 8 p.m. curfew. While in Arkansas, Governor Asa Hutchinson says he plans to lift the state's mask mandate at the end of the month.
Common sense is going to replace mandates.
The governor says he expects residents to wear masks even when the mandate ends. Nancy Chnen, CBS News.
Miami Beach officials are extending the emergency 8 p.m. curfew for at least another week.